Our universe is a theater of unimaginable forces, where entire worlds are shaped, shattered, and reborn in the crucible of cosmic collisions. These monumental events playing out over billions of years have sculpted the planets, moons, and even the very conditions that make life possible. As we gaze out into the night sky, it's easy to see a tranquil expanse of stars, planets, and clouds of distant dust. Yet, hidden within this apparent serenity is a turbulent history, a saga of violence and transformation that echoes through every cratered surface and every swirling ring. Today, let's embark on a journey through deep time and vast distances, reliving 5 of the most astonishing and devastating cosmic collisions to have ever shaped our solar system. Each event is a testament to the raw power of nature and to the delicate balance that allows us to exist here and now. These are the stories etched into the rocks beneath our feet, whispered by the tides, and mirrored in the silent dance of planets around our sun. To begin, we travel back to the dawn of our planet, to a time when the Earth was young, volatile, and alone. Around 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was a chaotic place. Swarms of planetesimals, chunks of rock and metal, were hurtling through space, colliding, merging, and creating the planets we know today. Among these was a Mars-sized body known to scientists as Theia. Its orbit brought it on a collision course with the infant Earth, and what followed was an impact of unimaginable scale. Theia struck with such force that it vaporized itself and a significant portion of the Earth's crust and mantle. The violence of the collision ejected trillions of tons of debris into orbit around the Earth, forming a glowing molten ring. Over time, this debris cooled and coalesced, giving birth to our moon. This was not merely an act of destruction, but of creation. The moon's formation was pivotal for life on Earth. Without it, our planet's axis would wobble chaotically, leading to extreme and unpredictable changes in climate. Instead, the moon acts as a cosmic stabilizer, keeping Earth's tilt steady and our seasons regular. It also creates tides, driving the ebb and flow of our oceans, and perhaps even stirring the primordial chemical soups that sparked the first life. In the dance of devastation and renewal, the story of the moon shows us that catastrophe can be the mother of beauty, order, and even life itself. From the calm blue orb we call home, let's turn our gaze outward to a planet that defies expectations. Uranus. Among the gas giants, Uranus is a true oddity. Its axis is tilted by an incredible 98 degrees, making it roll around the sun like a ball, rather than spinning like a top. For centuries, astronomers puzzled over this strange tilt until simulations and evidence pointed to a dramatic explanation: another massive collision. In the early days of the solar system, Uranus is believed to have been struck by a body at least twice the mass of Earth. The force of the impact knocked the planet onto its side, rearranging its internal structure and atmospheric patterns. Despite the magnitude of this event, Uranus survived. Its gaseous envelope remained largely intact, as did its system of rings and moons, though some of its satellites may have been destroyed or reshaped in the process. The result is a world where the sun rises and sets at the poles, and seasons last for decades. Uranus reminds us of the solar system's resilience, of how worlds can endure, adapt, and continue their journey through space after even the most violent disruptions. Our next cosmic collision brings us closer to home, to an event that changed the course of life on Earth forever. 66 million years ago, at the end of the Cretaceous period, the world was ruled by the dinosaurs. Vast forests teemed with life, and the oceans swarmed with reptiles larger than buses. Then, out of the darkness of space, came a visitor, an asteroid roughly 10 kilometers across, traveling faster than any bullet ever fired by humans. The asteroid struck the shallow seas off what is now the Yucatan Peninsula, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The impact gouged out a crater over 180 kilometers wide, vaporized rock and water, and hurled debris high into the atmosphere. Within moments, wildfires raged across continents. The skies darkened as dust and aerosols blocked sunlight, plunging the Earth into a global winter. Plants withered, food chains collapsed, and 3/4 of all species vanished, including the mighty dinosaurs. Yet in the ashes of extinction, new life emerged. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals, small, adaptable, and resourceful, began to thrive. Over millions of years, they diversified and evolved, eventually giving rise to primates and, ultimately, to us. The asteroid impact that ended the reign of the dinosaurs was both an ending and a beginning, a stark reminder that life on Earth is shaped by forces both ancient and unpredictable. While we often think of cosmic collisions as ancient history, sometimes they unfold before our very eyes. In July of 1998, astronomers around the world focused their telescopes on Jupiter, the king of planets. They watched in awe as fragments of comet Shoemaker Levy 9, torn apart by Jupiter's immense gravity, crashed into the gas giant at speeds exceeding 60 kilometers per second. Each collision sent plumes of dark material rising high above Jupiter's clouds, scars large enough to swallow our entire planet. For days, the impacts continued, offering a rare glimpse into the raw power of cosmic collisions. But the Shoemaker Levy 9 event was more than just a spectacle. It was a stark reminder of Jupiter's role as the solar system's guardian. With its massive gravity, Jupiter acts as a cosmic shield, deflecting or capturing many of the comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten the inner planets, including Earth. Without Jupiter's protection, our planet would have faced far more frequent and devastating impacts. The scars on Jupiter's clouds are a tribute to its silent vigilance, a reminder that in the cosmic lottery of survival, luck and location are everything. Finally, we look to the future, to a collision that has yet to happen, but may one day reshape our solar system. Simulations of planetary orbits suggest that our system is not as stable as it appears. Over billions of years, the delicate gravitational dance between planets can become chaotic. Mercury, the innermost planet, is especially vulnerable. Its orbit is subject to subtle perturbations from the other planets, especially Venus and Jupiter. In some scenarios, these interactions could nudge Mercury onto a collision course with the Sun or with another planet. If Mercury were to collide with Venus, Earth, or even the Sun, the resulting chaos could ripple outward, destabilizing the orbits of the other planets and triggering a chain reaction of collisions and ejections. While this scenario is unlikely to unfold for billions of years, it serves as a humbling reminder that the solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Stability is fleeting, and the forces of chaos are always at work, shaping the future as surely as they have shaped the past. What do these cosmic collisions teach us? They are not mere accidents or disasters. They are the engines of creation and transformation. The moon, born from violence, became Earth's life-sustaining companion. Uranus, toppled by catastrophe, stands as a testament to planetary endurance. The asteroid that doomed the dinosaurs cleared the path for mammals, and ultimately, us. Jupiter's bruises are badges of its protective might, and Mercury's uncertain future reminds us that change is the only constant. As we stand on this pale blue dot, it's easy to forget how rare and precious our moment of calm truly is. Every crater on the moon, every tilt of a planet, every fossil in the rocks beneath our feet tells a story of survival against the odds. We are the heirs of billions of years of cosmic drama, living in a brief interlude between the storms. The universe is vast, and its stories are far from over. New collisions will come, new worlds will be born, and life somewhere, somehow, will find a way to endure. For now, we have the privilege of looking up at the stars, of exploring our cosmic origins, and of telling these tales to those who come after us. Let us take a moment to appreciate the balance that allows rivers to flow, forests to grow, and civilizations to rise. Let us marvel at the moon, our silent companion, whose very existence is owed to a cataclysmic past. Let us remember that the same universe that can destroy can also create, and that, in the end, destruction and creation are two sides of the same cosmic coin. The next time you look up at the night sky, imagine the hidden history behind every point of light. Picture the ancient collisions that forged the planets, the moons, and the conditions that make life possible. Think of the future, uncertain and full of possibilities, where the dance of the planets continues and where new stories wait to be written. Our journey through the universe is just beginning. There are still mysteries to unravel, secrets to uncover, and wonders to witness. The cosmos is not a static backdrop, but a living, evolving tapestry, one that invites us to explore, to learn, and to dream. As we close this chapter of our cosmic exploration, Remember that knowledge is both a shield and a gift. By understanding the forces that shaped our world, we gain the power to protect it, to cherish it, and to seek out new horizons. The universe is vast, but it is also within our reach, if only we have the courage to look, to question, and to imagine. Thank you for watching The Cosmic Formula. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. We'll see you again on our next voyage into the universe.